Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zippay. First, you'll want to download the Zip app, available on both Apple and Android devices. Once installed, open the app and begin the registration process. You'll need to provide your email address and a valid phone number to get started. After that, we'll move on to verifying your identity, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. This ensures your account is safe and ready for use. Verifying your identity is straightforward and helps keep your account secure. You'll be asked to provide your full legal name and date of birth, along with your current residential address. Next, you'll need to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued ID, such as your driver's license or passport. Finally, a quick facial recognition scan will confirm it's really you, completing this important security measure. Once your identity is verified, the next step is linking a payment method. You can easily add a debit or credit card to your Zippay account. Just make sure the card is in your name. Alternatively, you have the option to link a bank account directly. After adding your preferred method, you can set it as your default for future purchases, making checkout even quicker and more convenient. With your Zippay account fully set up, you're ready to start shopping. When you're at an online store or in-person retailer that accepts Zippay, simply select it as your payment option at checkout. You'll then log into your Zip account to confirm the purchase and review your payment schedule. Remember, Zippay allows you to split your payments into 4 easy, interest-free installments, making budgeting simpler.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.